instead of having an equilateral triangle, guys, we're gonna use the isosceles triangle you guys built, right? Again, I'm gonna fix it to a piece of paper just because Miss Janice is too clumsy not to use tape. And then I'm gonna try to make mistakes because I want to show you how a triangle with inaccuracy on the measures would look like, so you know how not to do it, I guess. And so let's see, but I'll try. I'm not sure it's gonna work, okay? So again, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna find the midpoint of each of our sides, and to do so we need to get the bisector of each side, right? So again, we're gonna work with arcs, same amplitudes all the time, right? Now, because we have an isosceles triangle, we are actually only gonna draw the bisector with a pencil, because the bisector and the median now are not gonna be the same line. Why is that? Well, because we don't have a triangle with equal sides anymore. So we just gotta be careful about that. And to be able to be careful about that, we're going to draw the bisector with a pencil. What to do? So see, I made a mistake over here, so it's not that accurate. So let's hope that it helps us to have a run-down triangle. And so I'm going to mark the midpoint in the triangle and the side of that triangle. So now out of that point, I'm gonna go all the way up, but I will do it in a little bit, all right? Then I'm gonna do the very same with the other two sides. So I'm gonna place my compass over here. I'm gonna open it up a little bit more, and then I'm gonna have one arc this way, and then I'm gonna have the other arc this way, okay? And now I'm going to draw the bisector so we can get the midpoint. Okay, so that one kind of looks pretty well actually. Well, let's see how this goes. And I'm just gonna use the same amplitude for the other side just because we know these two sides are actually equal. So I'm just going to place my triangle over here. I'm gonna have this arc over here, and then I can just move to this side, and I'm gonna have the other arc, and now I'm going to build the bisector over here, which should be pretty much this one over here, okay? And so that allows me to get the third midpoint. Now, if you are focused, you're not gonna get confused with all the arcs you had before, all right? But you gotta be very focused on doing this. Otherwise, yes, sure, you can get confused. I mean, it's very easy because you have a lot of different arcs and lines on your triangle and you just don't remember what to do with them, right? Now this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take the midpoint of this side and I'm gonna join it with the opposite vertex. So its opposite vertex is right here, and I'm gonna have this line over here. Now I'm gonna do the same with the other side, the other equal side, and so this is what I got over here, okay? And now I'm going to work with the midpoint over here. So I gotta be careful to be able to actually go all the way up here. There you go. Hopefully this is gonna be enough not to have a perfect triangle. I mean, not to have a perfect in center at the end, all right? So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take off all the tape. Let's take the tape off. And if I take it off, then I'm gonna get a little bit of pressure over the points. Can you see The lines are not exact though, like how this line is a little bit moved. This median is a little bit far away from the intersection point of the other two medians. So that's gonna probably make things a little bit hard. Let's see. Oopsie. Oh, I pinched myself, sorry. So let's see. Now, even though, oh, actually I did it pretty decently. Can you see how it is a little bit trying to go downward, like on this corner? It's like not a perfect alignment. Can you see that? I'm not sure if you're able to see it, but like from my perspective right here is actually not in balance because it's a little bit falling down. I'm not sure. Maybe if you see it this way, you would see what I'm seeing. All right. Now this is actually a margin of error that is not too much. So even though if you have that margin of error, I would totally say you did a great job. But a lot of times your triangle is probably gonna fall like this, you know, it's gonna try to fall like this. And so you don't want that to happen. Or falling like that. You don't want that to happen. If that happens, then you gotta do the triangle again. All right? Well, that's how you find the center, which is the center of gravity of a triangle, guys. All right? We will do an assignment with this, so please practice enough. See ya.